Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Watch OS is up to date and location services plus compass are enabled. Once done, wake your Apple Watch and press the digital crown to go to the app grid. Tap compass. You should see the needle and degree readout immediately. If this is the first run, allow location and motion permissions when prompted. Those permissions let the watch access magnetometer and GPS data, which is why accuracy depends on granting them. You now calibrate and learn to read bearings. Hold your arm flat and rotate your wrist slowly in a figure eight to help the magnetometer settle. Once the needle stabilizes, note the numeric degree at the top, that's your bearing. If you need to keep a heading, tap to lock the bearing. The watch will show deviation. Make sure to set true north in compass settings when precision is required, because magnetic interference or local declination can skew results otherwise. You finish by using the compass for navigation. Tap the map icon to open maps or drop a waypoint to follow a bearing while walking. Keep the watch away from strong magnets and bulky metal objects. They distort readings. If the compass seems off, recalibrate with the figure eight motion, toggle location services or compass off/on, and restart the watch. That usually resolves sensor glitches. If problems persist, remove accessories and test again to rule out local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.